Thank you for choosing Where Style Meets Order as your personal organizer. Here's what to expect during our session. Step 1. Plan. We meet to assess the space and understand the client's needs and goals. Step 2. Prep. We gather necessary supplies and containers. This may involve shopping for organizing products like bins, shelves, and labels. Step 3. Empty and clean. We completely empty the space for a fresh start. Clearing the space is crucial for creating an organized environment. Step 4. Sort and organize. We sort items into categories and decide what to keep, donate, or discard. Organizing systems are then put into the space. Step 5. Return items to the space. We return sorted items to the well-organized space. Labels and systems allow easy access and maintain organization over time.